Alright, we want to go down the town on the bike. You can take us down there or you take somebody else? You take mommy? No.
Can you have to be I'm home. I don't
Me, you
want to
can
die.
take time with it? I'm going to videotape with. Yeah? Alright, we're going to make a Okay, now my turn.
Hey, Grandma.
Thank you, taxi man. What your name? What your name?
My name is Color.
And how long?
How long since I running taxi? About like 30 years now.
30 years here in Negril?
Negril, right?
Alright then. So colors.
Yeah. Everybody knows.
Alright. Thank you so much. That was really nice.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful experience.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Alright, thanks.